When we look at a brick house, we can easily see that the bricks are small units in it, like a brick house. Living things and organisms are made of very small units. In this chapter, we shall discuss about these small units of living organisms. Cells. All living organisms are made of cells. A cell is the basic unit of structure and function of all living organisms. Plants and animals are made of trillions of cells. Some living organisms consist of only one cell. For example, bacterial cells are different in sizes, shapes, and functions. In the structure of a cell, skin cells cover the body and protect inner layer. Nerve cells conduct messages. White blood cells fight against germs and that cause diseases. Red blood cells transport oxygen around the body. Bone cells produce bones to shape and support body. Muscle cells contract and bring about movement. Some cells are large enough to be seen with the naked eye, for example, yolk of an egg. But most cells are too small, we cannot see them with our eye. We need a special instrument to see the cell. Microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see very small things that cannot be seen with naked eye. When we look at something through a microscope, it appears larger. The microscopes are we used to in our schools are light microscopes. These microscopes use light to show the images. A light microscope has a base, an arm, a tube, a stage, and two adjustment screws. Two lenses are fitted on the two ends of the tube. The lens at the end of the tube through which we observe an object is called an eyepiece. The lens near the object to be seen is called an objective lens. Light is passed through the object from the below using a mirror. The object to be seen is placed on the glass slide on the stage. To focus the object clearly in the microscope, two adjustment screws are used. We can view an object up to 1500 times bigger than its real size. Most of the cells are too small to be seen without a microscope, but biologists use to see inside the cells.